ladies and gentlemen. My name is Garrett Hill, and today I'm about to teach you my greatest recipe of all time. Come over here, cameraman. Get back. You're gonna need one of these. These are the recipes. Come over here. You're gonna need pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and you're gonna need some soft shell tortillas, flour tortillas, super soft ones, not ones with skin on it. So this is my recipe, the pizzadilla. This recipe has been passed down by my family for over 12 generations after my great-great-great-great-great-great-grandma made the first ever pizzadilla. Okay, first you're going to need to place the shell down. Go close up. We are going to have to place the shell on the plate and get fist. Track my fist, slave. My cheese. Broke the cheese, assault the cheese, and then squeeze the cheese, just like my grandma. Great-great-great-great-great-great-grandma did it. Then you flop it right there. Get it all off your hands, and you spread it out. Okay, perfect. Actually, no, I'm thinking about it. Track my fist, slave. I will beat you. Child slaves, useless. A little bit more and just sprinkle it. Perfect. After you get that on there, sprinkle it on. Then you get pepperoni. Pepperoni is amazing. I love pepperoni. It's so big. It's like, what you gotta do, grab a huge chunk of it. Slippery. Grab some of that meat. Don't beat the meat. Grab the meat. Once you grab the meat, gently lay it on. Make sure they're equally spaced. Stop shaking the camera, slave. I need full concentration, okay? Stop laughing.
I'm not shaking the camera. You're shaking the table.
Shaking the table?
See, Garrett, yeah, you're shaking the table.
I'm gonna beat you. Stop making fun of my overweight. I'm not over 300 pounds no matter what. No matter what my mommy says, I'm not over 300 pounds overweight. Now, don't shake the camera. I need full concentration. The squeezy fingers. Oh, no. Darn it! Whatever. It's good enough. We put it all right there. Really greasy fingers. Then we grab some more cheese and then sprinkle it on. Just like that, the pizzadilla is golden. Now, we get the other tortilla, and then we slap it right on. Make sure you really get that.
Gary, you're gonna have to redo it because this was in the way.
What? Shut up, cameraman. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Better be. Shining sleeves, I'll tell you. Sprinkle some of that cheese. It gets off the side. Just sprinkle it right on top. It don't bother you. It's all going down one shoot. It's like my mom, like my great-great-great-great-great-grandma always told my great-great-great-great-great-grandma. Yeah. It's all, don't matter how you make it, it's all going down the same chute. Then we take it. Make sure, give me the camera. Give me the camera. We take it. We take it. And we are very, very, very gentle. Hold this. Hold the delicate. See here. Oh yeah, it's Tom Ball, Gator Gumbo out here. See, it's look, it's beautiful. Now, it's done. Ah, beautiful. Oh, that's good. I need to get the special sauce. I didn't include that in the recipes because it's my special sauce. I'll tell you, it's like it includes a bit of ketchup and mixed with something else. I ain't gonna tell you. I ain't gonna tell you what it's. Slave, hold the camera. I gotta go get the cutter and the special sauce.
Help me. Save me. I've been stuck here every day. Please save me. He beats me every day. He's coming back. Please save me.
Boy. Woo,
Save me.
good.
He's coming back.
Hey,
baby.
hey, come here. Okay, now it's done. Now, I'm gonna need to get it. Child slip. Oh, I forgot about that. I have to cut it. I'm gonna have to put it somewhere while I cut it here. You can stare at my beautiful face while I cut it. This looks good. Oh, yeah. Look at the grease come out the side. Oh, we're gonna go right down my shit. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now, I'll cut it. Now, what do you want? Oh, I dropped my knife. 1 second. Where? Okay. There it is. Now I got my knife. Let's go put the special sauce on. You think this is normal ketchup? No. Mix my special sauce in here. My mom got kind of mad at me for wasting the ketchup, but I put my special sauce in here. If you're wondering, no, it's not anything weird. It's just like 2 sauces mixed. Bang, I'll tell you what sauce. It's like a pizza sauce on pizzadilla. Once it's on the pizzadilla, you spread it around with your fingers. You might think this is disgusting. You probably think, oh, this is disgusting. Why do I watch your videos? I don't care. This is good. It's like the pizza sauce on the surface, but not inside the pizza. Oh, that's good eating. Now, you're done. You are going to take your first bite. And I want you to tell me in the comments, if you make one of these, I want to tell you what it tastes like. It's totally not ketchup, by the way. It's my special sauce. Put it in my mouth. Oh, God. Oh, this is good. Oh, it's not that bad. I'm going to sauce my fingers. So, if you like today's recipe, and you use it yourself, thick thing, this is pretty good, feeler. I want some more. subscribe and like. I appreciate it. It helps my crippling self-esteem. Rate that notification bell so you know when I come out with a new piece of garbage.